A developer-oriented blockchain is a blockchain platform that is specifically designed to provide tools and resources that make it easier for developers to build decentralized applications, dApps. These blockchain platforms typically offer developer-friendly features such as smart contract languages, software development kits, SDKs, application programming interfaces, API, and other tools that simplify the process of building and deploying dApps. Developer-oriented blockchains are aimed at reducing the barriers to entry for developers who want to build decentralized applications by providing a platform that is easy to use and has a wide range of tools and resources available. These platforms typically provide extensive documentation, tutorials, and community support to help developers learn how to use their platform and build successful dApps. Today, we will investigate one of them. Moonbeam GLMR. I'm Jennifer from KK Technologies. Let's discover this Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform which provides an EVM implementation and Web3-compatible API. This Ethereum compatibility allows developers to deploy existing Solidity smart contracts and dApp frontends to Moonbeam with minimal changes. As a parachain on the Polkadot network, Moonbeam benefits from the shared security of the Polkadot relay chain and integrations with other chains that are connected to Polkadot. Moonbeam is a smart contract platform that aims to provide interoperability with the Ethereum network while leveraging the scalability and low transaction fees of the Polkadot ecosystem. GLMR, on the other hand, is the native token of the Moonbeam network. It is used as a medium of exchange within the ecosystem, as well as for staking, transaction fees, and governance. GLMR is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network and a native token on the Moonbeam network. Overall, Moonbeam GLMR is the native token of the Moonbeam network that enables various use cases within the ecosystem, including transactions, governance, and staking. Moonbeam uses a technology called the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, to execute smart contracts in a compatible manner with the Ethereum network. This means that developers can write and deploy Solidity smart contracts to Moonbeam just as they would to Ethereum, but with the added benefits of interoperability with other blockchain networks and faster transaction processing times. Moonbeam is built on top of the Polkadot network, which is a sharded blockchain that enables multiple parallel chains to run on the same network. This allows Moonbeam to achieve high scalability while maintaining low transaction fees. GLMR, the native token of the Moonbeam network, is used for various purposes such as transaction fees, staking, and governance. Users can stake GLMR to participate in the network's consensus mechanism and earn rewards for validating transactions. The token is also used for governance, allowing holders to propose and vote on changes to the network's parameters. Overall, Moonbeam GLMR operates by utilizing the EVM to execute smart contracts, leveraging the scalability of the Polkadot network, and utilizing the GLMR token for various use cases within the ecosystem. To sum up, as a developer-oriented blockchain, Moonbeam offers a Web3-compatible application programming interface, API, and full Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, implementation. Further, Moonbeam provides bridges to connect with existing Ethereum applications. This means Ethereum developers can gain access to the Polkadot ecosystem with minimal code configurations. Moreover, Moonbeam offers developers a seamless experience with minimal cost. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Moonbeam GLMR? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button.